friends, I am Simran and today I am here for making the video on the Constitution of India on the book of GK, the next general knowledge chapter number 1, that unit 1 chapter the Constitution of India. So let's start our chapter. Okay. We will start from first question, and the first question is which is the longest constitution in the world? Repeating my question, which is the longest constitution in the world? So there are two options, A and B. The first option is the Indian Constitution or the Australian Constitution. The right answer is the Indian Constitution. So tick on that A option. Let's go on second. The original copy of Constitution was had written by whom? I am repeating my question. The original copy of Constitution was had written by whom? There are two options, Prem Bharin Nariaz, and second is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So the right answer is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So tick on the B option. Let's go on third question. In which year was the right to property deleted from the list of fundamental rights by the 44th Amendment? Repeat my question. In which year was the right of property deleted from the list of fundamental rights by the 44th Amendment? There are two options. First is 1978 and second is 1988. So the right option is 1978. So tick on 1978. And fourth question is which article of the Constitution of India talks about equality before law? Repeating my question, which article of the Constitution of India talks about equality before law? So there are two options, 14 and 16. So we will tick on 14. The right answer is 14. Fifth question, which article of the Constitution of India covers the right of elementary education? Repeating my question, which article of the Constitution of India covers the right of elementary education? So there are two options. First is 64 and second is 45. So the right answer is 45. Tick on 45. The sixth question is for which age group is there a provision for free and compulsory education? Repeating my question, for which age group is there a provision for free and compulsory education? There are two options, 6 to 14 years and 8 to 16 years. So 6 to 14 years is right answer. Tick the A option. Seventh question is Constitution of India was adopted by Constitution Assembly on. Repeating the question, Constitution of India was adopted by Constitution Assembly on. There are two options. First is 26 January 1950 and second is 26 November 1949. So the right answer is 26 November 1949. Come on the 8th question. How many fundamental duties are there in our Constitution? Repeating the question, how many fundamental duties are there in our Constitution? So there are two options. First is 11 and second is 12. So the right answer is 11. 11 duties are there in our Constitution. How was the elected president of the Constitution Assembly? Repeating the question, who was the elected president of the Constitution Assembly? There are two options. First is Jawaharlal Nehru and second is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And the right answer is B. So tick on the B option. Come on, 10th question. Where are the original copies of the Indian Constitution kept in the Library of the Parliament of India? Repeating the question, where are the original copies of the Indian Constitution kept in the Library of the Parliament of India? There are two options. Special helium filled cases and second is special neon filled cases. So the right answer is A, special helium filled cases. Okay guys, our chapter is finished and please subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video. Thank you. Bye bye all of you.